Today I am here to change all of your preconceptions about pasta salad. I'm making a fresh version of pasta salad with green beans and artichoke hearts and lots of herbs, and it is not going to be anything like your mom's pasta salad. To start off with, you're going to cook your pasta. 1 pound of cavatappi, but you can use any short pasta that you like. Penne works, fusilli works, even though I have something against fusilli. I don't know why. Actually, I do know why, but any short pasta that you like. Get that boiling because you're going to add your green beans to the pot with the pasta after about 4 minutes, and then prep your green beans. 1 pound of green beans is what you're going to need. Cut into pieces that are about the same length as the pasta. So 1-inch pieces, I guess, something like that. It's not really super important, but you want to be able to pick it up easily with a fork in the same sort of general vicinity as the pasta, right? Make sure to stir your pasta once or twice after you add it to the water so that it doesn't stick together. It can get into a little bit of a clump in the bottom of the pot if you're not careful, especially at the beginning where it's coming back to a boil. You also need some lemon zest and lemon juice for this, so zest your lemon. The zest of 1 lemon should be plenty. So I'm replacing all of the mayonnaise with a bunch of more sort of vibrant flavors like lemon juice and olive oil, and I'm using the brine from the artichokes, which are seasoned with herbs usually and has some acidity too, and then about 2 cups of chopped parsley. You also need some red onion, 1/2 cup of thinly sliced red onion. Most red onions are quite large, so you certainly don't need the whole thing. Save that for something else. What I would do with that is cut that up and just pour some vinegar over it to make it into a little very quick pickle, and you can serve that on sandwiches or something like that. After your pasta's been cooking for about 4 minutes, you can add your green beans to the same pot, and then they're going to cook together for another 4 minutes, or just until the pasta is done cooking. This is 2 jars of marinated artichokes. I drained them so I could chop them, but I saved some of the brine because I'm going to use that for the dressing, as I said. So the onion and the lemon zest can both go into the bowl with that. The parsley, 2 cups. Doesn't need to be too finely chopped, but give it a little bit back and forth, I guess. I've said it before and I'll say it again. You want to make sure that your parsley is very, very clean, but also very dry. So you need to wash it, spin it dry, and then roll it up in a clean kitchen towel or paper towels to remove the excess liquid, and then just maybe put it into a resealable bag and refrigerate it. And that way all the additional moisture will be wicked out of it. I'm going to tell you a secret that I don't want you to tell anybody else, but if I touch my parsley and I'm like, it's not that gritty, and I don't think there's any dirt in there, sometimes I don't wash it. Don't tell anybody. Parsley can go into the bowl with the artichokes. Add the brine. I only reserved 1/2 cup of the brine. That's all I'm going to use for this recipe, so that can go in too. 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese and a little bit of hot pepper flakes. Lemon juice also, 2 tablespoons. And also about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Give that a stir. And then by that time, your pasta and green beans should be ready, and you can drain them. You can also do this slightly ahead of time so that it has more time to cool, because it is pasta salad, and so you're going to serve it at the very least room temperature, if not cold. So drain. And then to avoid sticking, and it's okay in pasta salad, I don't do it for regular pasta dishes, just a little bit of olive oil while it cools will help it stay. So give that a toss and then just let it cool a little bit. I mean, you definitely don't want it steaming, but it can be just slightly warm. It'll help the flavors infuse into the pasta, and then you can cool it completely. But you don't want it going in too hot because it will wilt everything, which would be icky. This is cooled off enough. Add it to the bowl with the marinated artichokes and herbs. And there you go. Then just toss everything together, let it cool completely. Oh, obviously you're gonna wanna season it with salt and pepper, obviously. Makes a ton because this is for all of your summer parties that you're going to. Bring this to anything that someone says, bring a side, bring this. And they're gonna be like, that's not pasta salad. And you're gonna be like, I know. It's a fresh, new, delicious take on pasta salad, and everybody's gonna love it. And you're gonna have enough to eat for like, 2 months. Just kidding, give it a try, you're really gonna love it. If you like recipes like this and you want more, make sure to click like and subscribe because we have plenty more where this came from.